Hello there, and welcome to Ayesha's Twin Nails Art and Crafts Gallery. My name is Ayesha and this is my channel. So today we're gonna do some canvas painting. I hope you like it. So I'm gonna use orange and green. I'm just gonna draw or paint a sunset with some greenery at the background. So please stay tuned. Let's check our paints. Okay, the paint is okay. We're gonna start with the painting of the whole canvas. Orange, representing the sunsets. Among the girls, who is like you, sovereign Lord of the universe, gracious and holy, truly wonderful is Jehovah. Among the gods, who is like you, sovereign Lord of the universe, gracious and holy, truly wonderful is Jehovah. So we're gonna allow this to dry and then we proceed with our painting. Among the gods, who is like you, sovereign Lord of the universe, oh gracious and holy, truly, truly wonderful is Jehovah. Among the gods. So we're gonna allow this to dry for a minute and then we proceed with our arts. Guys, I'm gonna use this spider plants to make a print on this canvas on the leaves, and then we'll make a print. So yeah. So I'm just gonna use one side. I'm just gonna paint one side and then as you can see, I'm just gonna put it there like that, and then I'm just gonna try and paint it again, and then we'll repeat the process. Among the gods, who is like you? Sovereign Lord of the universe, gracious and holy, truly, truly wonderful is Jehovah. Sovereign Lord of the universe, oh gracious. Now let's do the sun, shall we? So I hope you like it, guys. Give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Until then, it's a goodbye from Ayesha's Twin Nose Art and Crafts Gallery. Bye.